It's alive! Ben, are you ready for school?
So, it finally chose you.
It finally chose you. You know this map?
This map never shows treasure. It always shows someone who needs help.
I like that kind of adventure. Let's go! This way. Maybe she's waiting for someone. Hi, are you okay? Today is my first day at a new school. I'm scared. My first day felt scary too, but I made new friends. We're going there too. You can walk with us. Rintas, really?
Good morning. We're happy you're here.
That's new.
That's the original post office. It closed many years ago.
I know that building. My grandmother worked there. I haven't seen that map since I was a little girl. I thought everyone remembered that story.
This must be the next place. My grandmother worked here many years ago. There are still letters here.
There were 3 blue houses many years ago.
Then we have 3 places to visit.
The map already knows. Turn left at the bakery, then go straight. The blue house is near the old oak tree.
Turn left, go straight, near the tree.
Good morning. Mrs. Evelyn? Harper? It's been so many years. My father wrote this. He never had the chance to send it. He wrote it for you? Owen.
I know. No. Mình Kim Benai Pup.
Kind words should never arrive too late.
I'm glad we found you.
Something else is waiting.
Every completed journey brings forgotten kindness back into people's hearts.
No! That's impossible! Why did it come here?
I've been waiting for the day this map returned.
You know this map? Yes.
This map has guided kind people for more than 100 years.
So it has always helped the town?
Yes, but it only appears to children who choose kindness before adventure.
There's mail inside.
Some messages become more important with time.
That's where we're going! Why did it change?
Sometimes the right path isn't the quickest.
The map is changing again!
Don't worry, we'll help you look.
Every kind act reveals another piece. Hurry before sunset. Who are we waiting for?
That handwriting. Thank you for showing me every road when I was afraid to walk alone.
Only one story is still missing.
That road disappeared from every map nearly a century ago.
Tomorrow morning, we'll find the very first road.
Today is the final journey. So it really existed.
This road has been asleep for many years.
Someone walked here long ago. It feels like time stopped here. This map was never made to find treasure. It was made to help neighbors find one another. That can't be Ben.
So every road was really about kindness. My grandmother always said, every letter carries a piece of someone's heart. I think she was right.
That's my favorite lesson. Everyone? Yes.
I think it's almost finished.
I think the map still has one final secret.
Good morning. Look outside. It's visiting everyone.
Every road is leading people to each other.
That was always the map's purpose.
The roads were never the most important part. I'll always remember that.
And here we have the centerpiece.
Ben, look! It's the real map! Grandpa Joe, is this where we start our adventure? Is the map still magical?
It is, but not in the way you think.
Every time you help someone, you create a new road.
I'm going to help my sister today.
Wow, it's even more beautiful than I imagined.
Look at all the lights. Which one is ours?
It feels different up here, doesn't it?
Do you think the map is finished?
Good stories never really end. They simply continue through other people.
I finally understand. I was never just delivering letters. I was delivering hope. The map showed us where to go, but people showed us why.
The greatest adventures always end with a lesson.
And the greatest lesson is this: